Hello YouTube, it's Craig with Casworks Woodworking, and I'm back in Maine, baby. I'm excited to be here. I've got some things to do, got to spend a couple weeks with my mom, that's awesome. And I'm going to be working on the house as well. Let me show you what we're going to be doing. So I've got to finish taking off the rest of the old clapboard siding, got to insulate that section, and then put some more zip system up. And then I'm going to get all of it covered up with vinyl siding. I hope to get it all done, and maybe I can work on the steps inside as well. Looking forward to it. Stud bays are only true 2x3s, so I didn't want to just take a hammer and start knocking on the clapboard siding. So I figured I'd start with cutting it, and then we could just pull it out pretty easily. Berger, who is a friend of my mom's, was a tremendous help with this operation. Stud bays were completely open between floors, so I had to put in a fire break. I also had to do some bracing from the windows that we had taken out from upstairs as we raised the roof.